3D printing experiment. Just overhaul this magneto. Both windings and the condenser are good. We're throwing some good sparks. 2.7 on the secondary, 1.2 on the primary. That's ohms and kilo ohms, by the way. Right, so I was a bit short on these, so I thought what I'd do is get the calipers out and I'd start modelling my own, and came up with this. Excuse the fingers. So I've 3D printed this. It's out of acrylic resin. It's through a polyjet. And what I have done is I've put a hole through the middle with a self-tapping screw. And if I was to refine this, I'd probably put a brass sleeve in there, purely to help with the conducting side of things. So we'll see how this goes. Right, so I've fitted the brush. I've screwed the HT lead in. It's got a bit grubby because there's a bit of grease and oil on the mag. Right, now we're going to have a go at fitting it. Right, fitted onto the mag, nice and snug. Let's get a nice high res zoom in there. Right, so there's a screw going through into the top there. HT lead's fitted. A precariously balanced spark plug there. Seen better days. Right, the acid test. Eureka. That'll do for now, people.